Hello beautiful people, welcome back. I'm Anna and today we are vlogging. I have to do some laundry. I want to put out the lights before it gets colder outside. Brock is leaving tomorrow for Cleveland for Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna spend some time with him as well, maybe cook up something nice. And yeah, it's a good day. I'm excited. We started our morning by taking Maki to a dog training class. It was very cold outside. I'm gonna insert a picture here. I had to bundle up. It's around 11 right now. We came back from the class. His class was at 9:30. We came back from the class and Brock was taking a nap because he wasn't feeling well and he woke up early for the class. Now that I work full time, I don't really get a lot of time for myself that is not dark, since it gets dark after 5 p.m. now. So weekends are like my gotta do everything time. So I have lots of plans for today. If I remember correctly, we put the Christmas lights and decorations out in the garage, like right that door right there, when we moved up here. So I have to like do a little digging to see if I can find like the outdoor lights to put them up today before it gets colder, because there's nothing more unsafe and just downright more awful than having to put up lights when it's really cold outside. So I want to try to persuade Brockton to do it with me today before he goes to Cleveland tomorrow. So maybe if I find them and I have them out, it's easier to convince him. Found them. So let's see what's in here. Almost broke my nail there. Perfect. Lights, some decorations. Ooh, lots of lights. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at how many lights. I think we hit the jackpot. I normally like to recycle Christmas decorations from one year to the other if I can, but last year we did most of our decorations silver and blue, and this year I'm going for like a more rustic, classic Christmas, so I want a lot of red, a lot of green. So I don't know if I have a lot of red and green on my decorations already. I may have to actually go out and shop for them. But I did find this bow and I have to find a place to put it. So a lot has happened in the last 12 hours and not all of it productive. But on the bright side, I finally got a frame for the Friends puzzle that's been in my dining room for way too long. So we're finally gonna frame it and put it up, and I'm very excited about that. So the thing about this is that because of the puzzle, we have to be 30 times as careful putting it in, because I don't want it to obviously crumble when it's going into the frame. Now I have to move my candle holders out of the way, because I was so concerned about breaking the puzzle by moving it that I decorated my kitchen around it, and now it's time to move it. This might be a little messy. So this white background that's behind the puzzle, I wish I could use, but it's a little like messed up now, like from like water stains and stuff like that, so I don't want it on the wall. So I have to transfer the puzzle to this white background and then turn it around so that it faces outwards. Maki, I love you, but I need you to move right now. I think we did it! We did it! Oh my god! These are like the best thing that's ever been invented to hang things. This makes me so happy. What? No.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Pretty centered too, right?
Yeah, you did a great job. High five. Or leave me hanging, that's fine too.
I'll come back.
I just wait.
Scared you though.
The 100 high five. Happy Sunday everybody. Brock just left for Cleveland. He's going to see his family for Thanksgiving. I normally go with him, but this year we're going on separate days. I'm flying there on Wednesday because obviously I work tomorrow and Tuesday. He works from home, so he can work anywhere, so he decided to go today. And he's driving there, and it's an 8-hour drive. He just left. I miss him already. If there's something that the whole process of quarantine and just moving during a pandemic to a whole new city that we don't know anybody in has done for us, is that we are like inseparable. Mackie is so sad. I don't know if you guys can tell him. He keeps looking out the window, wondering where his dad will come back. It breaks my heart. I put some Christmas lights on my mantle. I think it looks cute. I wrapped them around the mirror as well, just for extra pizzazz. And I think I'm just gonna keep decorating today. Yesterday wasn't nearly as productive as I wanted it to be. We ended up just like pretty much chilling all day because it was his last day here until next week when we see each other again. So we just watched the 100 and just cuddled pretty much all day. I have another project that I have for the bathroom today. It's just hanging a painting. Our guest bathroom has a lot of like blue accents, and so does the painting, so I thought like it would go well there. I also want to put together like a cheat sheet for the house for our house sitter. We're gonna be gone for Thanksgiving, and there's a pet sitter coming in, staying with Mackie, and he's gonna stay in our house. So I just want to like put together like our Wi-Fi password, just like little things like that, so that they feel at home and they have the smoothest stay here possible. I hate that now in this new time thing, like it gets pitch black at 5 p.m. Hate it, can't stand it, wholeheartedly disapprove. But during Christmas is the only time that it feels a little better, simply because when the sun goes down, my Christmas lights automatically turn on, and that's just the best. I'm sitting in my couch and I just see them turn on because Brock bought one of those like automatic timers for Christmas lights. Basically, when there's no light outside, they turn on, and I don't have to like go plug them in or anything. So it's kind of nice. It makes me happy. It's like 5:30 now. It's pitch black outside. I'm gonna go take a shower, wash my hair. I'm gonna go try a TikTok thing that I learned for curling my hair without heat tools, so just with like a towel. So I'm gonna try that. That's one sentence I never thought I'd say on my channel. I'm gonna try this thing I saw on TikTok. Wow, 2020. You make them the same length, and the midpoint you put it across your head like this. I don't know if the fact that my hair is black and this is black is making this hard to see, but across your head like this, and wrap your hair around it as tightly as possible like this. You don't want to do this right as you get out of the shower, because otherwise it's not gonna dry. You have to do it like when you've already like towel dried your hair. So this attractive look is how I'm gonna go to sleep tonight. And then tomorrow it's gonna wake up looking a lot better. I truly do look ridiculous like this, but keep in mind it's gonna be worth it tomorrow. So I realized I never ended up showing you guys how I ended up looking. So this is how they're, as you can tell, they're like very natural wavy curls, and they're completely heat free. They're no heat curls, and yes, some of them are tighter than others, but I feel like that's just something that's about practice, and like it's only my second time doing it. I may go over, I think, one strand in the back, like this straight strand that, you know, there's always one with a curling iron, but I won't be doing my whole hair with a curling iron. I think it looks nice. I like it. I think I'm definitely gonna wait for it not to be so tight, because I don't want super tight curls, but these front pieces I absolutely love. So that's how it looks. This is how it looks. I'm happy with it. I think it's very easy. It's very low effort, which is exactly what I need. I feel like it's exactly what everybody needs in this year. We need more things that are low effort, because all of our effort is just I'm mentally stressing about this year. So this is how it looks if you guys want to try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe. I love you all. Have a wonderful week. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It really does help my channel do better. Happy Thanksgiving! Whether you're spending it alone, whether you're spending it with just the people who live with you. Here in Wisconsin, there's now a I think it's like a county law. It's not Wisconsin based, it's like Dane County where I live based. That you're not supposed to have people over for Thanksgiving. You're supposed to only have Thanksgiving with the people who already live with you. So I know a lot of people are unhappy about it because they don't get to see their entire family. And it sucks. I don't get to see my family either. They live in Florida, and we normally do Thanksgiving at Brock's family's place and then Christmas at mine. So it's just I feel bad for the people who are not gonna get to see who they normally would spend Thanksgiving with. But just stay safe. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful week. I'm so thankful for all of you, and I'm thankful that you took the time to just watch this video and hang out with me for a couple minutes. I love you all. Happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe. Mwah.